Hey guys, you have to try this fried bagel with egg. So simple and delicious. So here you can see me putting the bagel in a fry pan. I already added my egg, my oil, I mean to say. So this is the egg. I mixed all of my ingredients together, like the pepper, the dry pepper, and salt and the seasoning. Already I whisked it in the egg. I whisked it. So I just put the bagel in a fry pan, and I'm putting the egg over the bagel just like I'm doing right now. As you could see me, I just put the egg over the bagel so it's frying. I'm using the knife, the spoon, I mean to say, to forgive me guys. So I'm using the spoon to make sure the egg is properly mixed in the bagel. Guys, look at that, so crispy, so yummy. So I'm making sure it doesn't get burnt, and this recipe is so delicious. It's good for busy mom, it's good for students, it's so quick, and it doesn't take time at all. So I just flipped the recipe over. I'm trying to fry the other side of the recipe. I'm waiting for it to cook or get fried, properly fried. So I'm flipping the other side over as well, trying to fry it. This recipe is under 5 minutes. You're done. You have to try this quick and crispy fried bagel with egg. It's an easy breakfast idea made in minutes. It's toasty on the outside, soft on the inside, and it's full of flavor. It's perfect for beginners, for mom, for students, or anyone looking for a fast and delicious breakfast. So I'm just waiting, guys, for the other side to be well fried. And as soon as it's well fried, I'm just gonna be taking it out and be placing it in a plate. Yeah, this is so good, delicious. Guys, look at that. See how beautiful, see how crispy this looks. See how lovely this looks. This is very, very easy to make. Under 5 minutes, you're done. And this is good with coffee, is good taken with tea, whatever you want to eat it with. This is the bagel I just made. It's not hard to make. You could try this at home, and I promise you definitely enjoy it. Bye guys.